OTC, close and lock your visors, and initiate O2 flow.
That's an work.
CDR.
GLT.
S1. 2.
All right, here we go. There's nav.
Engine start. 3 to 100.
102, 102, we're in auto. DPC 3. I agree.
Houston, Atlantis, roll program. WH.
Roger, roll Atlantis. We see GPC 3 as a failed to halt with you and pass GPC failed for 3.
Here comes the procedure. Nominal.
Okay, ready. I see it. Good switch.
We'll need to take that to halt now if you can, sir, if you can reach it.
Here we go.
Okay, good switch.
3.
Throttle back.
Good one.
Hey, you got the nominal.
Okay. Rockets on the left.
1244 with payload for your inbound.
Copy. Left engine stuck in the bucket.
Copy.
Item 20 looks good, Bergie.
Lock is stuck in the bucket at 72 with a high block up.
We copy and see it, Butch.
Yeah, 9'4", good. 1-4 looks good. That's good, Bergie. Seconds.
90 seconds. Next meeting.
All right, I'm back with you.
Okay, left engine stuck in the bucket. And
You back? Nominal, Rex? Yes, got that. Okay.
Rexy, we got any issues with GPC or the right engine? I don't think so.
No, but the right engine, you're just looking for GPC 1 will cause a command path.
Do that. Okay, here comes staging.
So, how about that? Open up to fly this time.
Oh, did your thing drop?
Yeah, it just fell all the way down. All right, here we go, PCs. T-Mikos. Everybody, visors. IMU3, Sandy looks like it might have quit. There's your dump
There's
start.
your dump.
Okay, you got GPC 3 down anyway. So,
1 2/3 RTLS.
1 2/3 RTLS. And T-Mikos are good.
The IMU bite is from GPC 3. There's no action.
We copy that, thanks.
PFS is on IMU 1.
Right engine's definitely burning a little lower pressures.
We'll take an item 9 plus 4 5 chunky to get us uphill.
Item 9 plus 45 coming. See it, Rexy?
I see 9 plus 4, 5, good.
Took.
We'll take a GPC CRT 4-3 when you get the chance.
Great call, thanks.
I see 4-3 to pass. Good. And your right engine button is not working, Chunky, so if the Puckamoo error, it looks like it's OF3. They may or may not call the switch.
2 engine Istrus and 1 2/3 negative return.
1 2/3 negative return, 2 engine Istrus, and we had a Puckamoo message in there. Looks like OF3.
We'll take a Puckamoo swap, and that's for OF3.
Here it comes.
Puckamoo's coming. I got it. And Chunky, did you hear me that you're...
1 2/3 Istrus.
1 2/3 Istrus. So this one's working or not?
Both of them aren't working, the left and right.
Yeah, it's FF3. FF3, so we'll have to ACPB that shutdown.
We're in a trade-off case. That Puckamoo doesn't have OF2.
Okay, OF2 or OF3 coming.
Negative return.
Negative return. And the tape is stuck with the GPC3.
Hey.
Good call.
OF2 is down on Puckamoo 2. We're in a trade-off case. We're going to stay put.
Copy and concur.
Let's see, press to ATO, 2 engine press to ATO coming up next.
How are we doing on the dump?
Still dumping.
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably want to get those numbers down in case we go ATO here.
Yeah.
A long dump. And Chunky, I would say an ACPB at 23K, right?
On the left,
On the
I
left
agree. Right now,
Yeah.
I agree with that completely.
Tell me why.
Because the
Hide rock lock up and the
hide
button's
rock
bad.
up on the left,
Okay,
and,
got it.
and the button's broken.
Com check, Atlantis.
Loud and clear.
Same.
And tap out, he's good. A very long dump.
Yeah,
What was the number? That the gave you the item 9 number?
45.
45. So we're going to dump to 45.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not over there. It's going to be a while. Or it's 60. What are we, the Miko's a 915, is that what it is, Fergie?
Yeah. Showing, yeah.
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Single engine, Ops 3.
Single engine ops 3. Roll is next.
Yeah, resume that. Let's check the Micos real quick.
Check them once. They look good.
All right, good. Press the Micos next.
Copy.
On L1, we'll take freon pump loop 1 to off. It's degraded.
Freon pump loop 1 is off.
That's expected.
Thank you. Single engine Istrus 104.
Single engine is just 104. Job's complete, Sandy. How'd we do? 52?
50,
Press
yeah,
to
52 is
ATO.
good.
Press to ATO. Shut down.
AC.
ACPB, left engine, 23K.
I agree.
Chunky, your shutdown plan is ACPB the left at 23K.
I copy. ACPB, left engine, 23K.
Good read. 1 2/3, press to Miko.
1 2/3, press to Miko.
Fergie, you'll be go the plus X, no go the pitch due to the dump.
Go for the plus X, no go for the pitch. Dump is finally complete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, with about 30 seconds ago.
52 remaining.
Expecting an underspeed of about 160.
Great.
Copy, 160 underspeed. Rex, your opportunity to come up with your OMS 1 targets.
You bet.
Leave the left engine, OMS engine, and arm press post MECO.
Leave the left engine and arm press post MECO. There's throttling on both of them, but the right should be good.
We're getting throttling on both.
That's just because we've lost some
There you go.
insight, Fergie, due to the GPC.
All set?
Yeah, I'm ready. I got my hands on the AC on the left.
There you
Single
go.
engine press, 104.
Single engine press 104. Make sure it was recognized.
And press the MECO, we do see the left engine down. Limits, enable auto.
Then I got the plus.
That's complete. All right, there's 3 Gs. Everything is, or actually stand by for throttling. Ready, now.
There's throttling.
To about 150.
Shut down.
Good confirm. Tank is next and we'll be
Sorry,
plus X.
So you're good.
That came back kind of
Looking
fast.
for an HA of greater than 72, Rex. All right, there's the tank. Stand by for 104.
Copy.
We have 4 good jets in the back. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, really
Yeah.
down one manifold.
Yep, just one. I agree.
Sweet. Copy, OMS 1 not required.
HA plus HP is 126.
All right, it's complete with the plus X. Ascent pocket for failures. We need the GPC. Probably got actions for the GPC.
That's really it, unless
gonna
there's
leave
something they want you to do with the freon pump.
We're going to leave the left engine in arm press. The right engine's coming off.
Okay, I agree.
We're going to the Ascent checklist, post OMS 1.
Yep.
Let's see, no go for the pitch.
So I guess no pictures.
Yeah, it's good.
I'll go get started on the mid deck then.
I agree. Taking my 80 out of ref.
Good
If
call.
no go for pitch, go to dump complete. Do
Now
not
we'll
pitch.
take freon pump loop number 1 to Alpha, Fergie.
Pump, freon pump, loop 1 to alpha. Here it comes.
I'll look at the yellow pages for the freon.
Oh, looks like a good pump.
Atlantis, we're going to just power off GPC 3 and for chunky MPS propellant dump backup LH2 valve to open. Those are your follow-ups for GPC 3.
Bit switch.
Complete.
GPC 3 is down.
And we're in inertial.
Negative on the pitch.
Copy. That was a bump to inertia. We're back in auto.
Okay, great. We see it.
All right, waiting for the dump to complete, and then we'll be high MPS TVCI. Flight control power. I'm going to take mine off now. I'll save that.
Might as well. I'm going to do the same. That way we won't bump it again.
Atlantis, we continue to watch your cooling. We are assessing updates deltas 3-4, tell only control not required, the rest as written, ready for 105 when you get there.
Okay, copy all. Thanks.
Fergie will take fast pry A to off, pry B to on, if that's your shutdown.
That's right, A off, B to on. A's coming off.
Good read back.
And B's coming on.
How about G's high?
Yeah, I would guess so.
Evaluating some issues on fuel cell 2, Chunky, so we'll take a Bravo to Charlie bus tie.
Copy, Butch. Bravo to Charlie coming.
Yeah, we've got limited insight because of the OF2.
All right, Rex, keep an eye on that.
That's complete. Verify, get buster.
I see the dump complete. Are the APUs all cooling okay?
They are. My light's still on.
That's a good tie.
It may be locked due to GPC 3.
No, that's right, it's 3. So your light is out? Houston, we show the MPS dump complete. We're going to go ahead and work the ISO valves if you're ready for them.
APUs look fine.
We are indeed ready. Four minutes from spreading, we can clear it.
Copy. Was that 4 minutes to spreading?
Affirmative, 4 minutes.
Copy. I'm going to look ahead a little bit, Rex. Tail and control not required.
I agree.
FES and heater, well, there'll obviously still be a delta to that.
Yep, there will, because you already...
FES looks like it's working sort of good right now, but keep an eye on it.
Yeah. Structure station.
All right, they're all closed.
Atlantis, with OF2 down, we've got limited insight into fuel cell 2, so we're going to go ahead and swap puckamoos and drop OF3, pick up OF2.
Okay, puckamoo.
Okay, here comes a puckamoo swap.
And I'm going to call for APU hide shutdown, if you think that's...
All right.
Okay, thanks. There you go. Puckamoo 1. Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. There it goes. Okay.
Sandy, in this case, you would stay until he shuts the APUs down, then you can leave.
All right.
Houston, Atlantis, bottom of 3-3. We're ready for APU hide shutdown when you are.
We're still evaluating the cooling there, Chunky, so stand by just a sec.
Okay, we can give you low press if you need it.
Yep, just coming back to you with that. We will take low press.
Here comes low press. Expect the alarms, guys.
Looks like we got a short on fuel cell 2, Chunky. We'll break the bus tie.
Copy, we'll break the bus time. Low green on all 3.
All right, so what's our fuel cell situation? We're going to lose main B here?
The short's on the fuel cell, they just said.
Yeah, but why would they have us... Actually, I guess I could see that. You don't want to tie a fuel cell short, so it's tied, so we'll...
You're probably...
You don't want to tie a main bus short.
Yeah, but a fuel cell short
is almost as bad.
Maybe after the fuel cell shut down, they'll have you retie to something else.
That's what I think we'll end up. But the question is, are we going to lose main B for a little while?
Right.
I don't know.
What does the procedure have you do for a fuel cell short? I mean, just look ahead.
All right, Chunky, let's flip over in the pocket to page 5-2, main bus undervolt. You can pick up in step number 7. We're going to drop main B.
Okay, 5-2, step 7 for main Bravo. All right, it's not going to be tied, so we're dropping it.
Yeah, so in answer to your question...
That's fine.
Go away.
Yes.
Hang on. So make sure, resume everything.
Yeah.
We're going to lose main B. That's not a problem. Of the BFS here, I think we're in a good position.
I may resume all these. There you go. All right, Sandy, step 7, fuel cell.
Okay, essential bus source for 2.
Okay, it's coming off. All right, folks, here comes the bus.
All right, we agree. Go ahead.
Fuel cell voltage is 31.
I agree. It's less than 32, so I agree that it's a short.
Yeah.
Houston, you want step 8 for the fuel cell short?
Almost to TIG, Rex.
That is affirmative.
React valve on number 2 closed, Sandy. That's the bottom one.
Bottom one, yes.
Houston, we're working step 9, the fuel cell shutdown cue card. Any deltas?
3741 for...
No deltas, Chunky.
And how would you like us to tie? I
Stand by on the tie.
guess.
And Butch, while you're thinking about it, other than the L1 actions, any other deltas, which I assume you want to leave in Fest Pride B, any other deltas to 3-4?
Master Mads, Rexy.
Full P's at 22.
Okay.
Tap out T's good.
Thanks, Rex. We got about 20 minutes to the ohms 2 burn.
Okay, we should get through this quickly once they sort things out with the tie, if we're gonna tie.
A12 actions are being worked. I assume there's no deltas. I'm going to hold on the O2 tank 1 and 2 heaters. We're not sure of that with fuel level 2 down. Plus sensors, not sure about those either. I don't think 105 will be a problem though.
Okay, Chunky.
And that'll be Bravo to Charlie.
Okay, Houston, understand you want a Bravo to Charlie bus tie now.
That's affirmative. We'll take it long form.
Okay, copy. We'll do the long form bus tie. Active AC bus sensor, that's number 2. It's already off. Circuit breakers closing AC2, all the circuit breakers.
Okay. Yeah, I see it.
Inverter AC bus, that's this one on number 2 coming off. Yep. And I'm going to take the power off after that.
Atlantis, your ohms 2 TIG, 34:30. We're going to go to 198 miles, and we're a little short on prop. We're assessing about protecting one-day rendezvous by losing a steep return capability. We'll let you know.
Okay, 34:30, copy the rest.
Fergie, for you, main Bravo down, you're taking cabin fan B to off if it's on.
Alright, B should come on, correct?
Cabin fan B to off.
That's already off.
Okay, alright, here comes...
We've got good cooling now, Atlantis. Chunky, your go for APU hide shutdown.
Alright, we'll work that as soon as we get done, Houston. I'm on step 6 of the long form bus tie. Here comes Bravo to Charlie.
Outstanding. Thanks, Chunky. We're watching.
Eureka! And there were lights. Inverter power. Coming back on. Houston, step 8 for the long form bus tie. You ready for that?
That is affirmative.
Opening the circuit breakers. Fire reset to the GNC.
Alright, I'll get it. Rex, just keep an eye on our nominal.
Okay.
Alright, Sandy, I've got the auto trip back and cabin fan Bravo back on if you want.
They're going to uplink those targets, right, Fergie? I think it was off to begin
AC2
with.
is back as well, Atlantis. Your APU temp, that should be rectified now that we got main B back.
Yeah, we see you coming down, thanks.
Okay, Sandy, how are we looking for stack keys for the stop?
I do not have the stack T. It's missing from the OS. The cool P is at 16.
I agree.
Right.
So it's not there yet. So Houston, we're holding on the fuel cell stop for the bus tie fuel cell shutdown procedure. If you want to just call us to finish that, we're going to work APU shutdown.
Okay, yeah, we'll give you a call and you can work APU hide shutdown.
And work.
Okay.
All right. I got that. Just follow along, Sandy.
Yep.
Five-second intervals. Ready for the alarms, guys. Here comes 1. Here comes 2.
Atlantis, to help us get back commanding, we'll take a Puckamoo swap back to Puckamoo 2. After that's complete, we'll take a panel command with a Spec 51, item 46.
Puckamoo 2.
Okay, here we're on Puckamoo 2 now. We'll give you a panel command, and then on Spec 51, we'll give you an item 46.
APU high shutdown complete.
Thanks, Bergie.
Ready for the panel command?
No. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, now ready.
Oh. Man.
Out 1 potato, 2 potato on the...
Okay.
Hey, Fergie, any deltas to 3-4? I can start working those.
I asked them. They haven't got back to us yet.
Okay. Do you want me to just hold then?
Yeah, just hang on.
Okay.
46 looks good. 11 minutes from the burn.
Right there, they have no commanding for GPC-3, but the BFS is still... Yeah, it's just the GPC-3. All right, so we're on string 1. They're commanding through GPC-1 now. All right, Chunky, the R1 actions, I did take the FES feedline heaters 2 to 1. I think that's okay. O2, H2 tank heaters, I wouldn't, with fuel cell 2 down, I wouldn't mess with those.
Okay.
A12 actions are supposedly complete. Bus sensors, you may want to wait to hear from them. How about if we do Ohms burn setup? I think it's going to be a 2-engine burn. We can work that. We know we have some actions back on 3-4.
Yeah, and they're quick to get to.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Ohms 2 targets. Well, they haven't changed our TIG yet, Rex, so...
No, they haven't. Got a counter counting down to 5 minutes to the burn.
What's our current time to burn?
10 minutes to the burn. 10 minutes.
Atlantis, pages 3-6, 7, and 8 as written.
Copy 3, 6, 7, and 8 as written. And were there any deltas to 3, 4 other than the FES?
No, that's the only one we had.
Copy. All right, you can work the R1 actions. A12 is complete. You can get your bus sensors. We're in 105, burn prep.
Atlantis, your targets are on board. You are go to load.
Okay, we see them. Go to load. Thank you.
The heaters are set. Here comes the auto trip.
These targets are preserve a good steep deorbit capability, which I mentioned earlier, and we're also evaluating a jury burn and one-way rendezvous, more to follow.
Copy all. Thank you. Ohms targets, we've already kind of been through that.